really though, I ate these down.
Yeah.
What's poppin' YouTube? It is your girl Kyla back again with another freaking tutorial. And as y'all seen in the title, I'm gonna show you guys today how I achieved these island twists on myself. I think it turned out really good, and this is the first time me doing this hairstyle, y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this tutorial.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me.
I already went ahead and pre-parted my hair, and I'm just picking up where I'm actually going to be adding in the twist. Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I'm using. It is the Express 3-pack pre-stretched hair in 24 inches. I'm using 2 packs of this in the color 33. This is my human hair that I dyed off camera, and it is from YG Wigs. They sent me this hair, so make sure you guys check them out at ygwigs.com. But right now I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I start off my twist. So if you guys have ever seen my videos, you know I start out my braids the exact same way. You're going to braid it down, and then you're going to add in your curly piece. The only difference with braids and twists is that once you get down to a certain point, you're going to take the 3 strands of the braid and make it into 2 strands so that you can twist. The key to these twists staying is that you have to twist it tight, and once you get to the bottom, you have to secure it properly. I do it in just a simple loop, and I'm going to tie it super tight. I have seen some stylists use super glue as well. I personally didn't use that method, but I've seen a lot of videos where it's worked, so definitely use what's best for you. As you guys can see, I'm just taking my twist, moving my hands in a circular motion. So I'm just going row by row with my twists. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how I'm adding in a curly piece into the twist and not the braid. You're basically going to use the same technique. You're going to add the hair in, and you're just going to twist down tightly, making sure that the boho hair is secure. You definitely don't want your curly hair falling out, so make sure that you're doing this super tight. Again, I'm just gonna get those 2 last strands and tie a knot super tight. And it turns out looking something like this. I'm just gonna repeat this step, adding the hair to my pre-part. I'm going to braid it down a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my curly piece again. You want to make sure that the curly piece is out the way. I normally just pull it into my mouth for a second just to get it out the way. And right here, I'm just taking the 3 strands and separating it into 2 so that I can start my twist. And again, I'm going to add another piece towards the bottom. I want to make sure that it's secure, so I'm going to make sure that it's included in one of the strands of the twist. And I'm going to continue twisting down. And now we're at the bottom again. We're going to make that knot. Pull it tight. And that's what's going to secure our twist. So this is getting a little closer look at how I am twisting. So as you can see, my fingers are going in a circular motion. I'm taking one piece and just twisting it around so that it meets my other hand. This was my first time actually being successful at this hairstyle, you guys. I tried it once before and it did not work out. It is a lot of trial and error. You definitely have to be patient, especially if this is your first time. But I definitely thought that it was a lot simpler when I just took it as me just doing 2-strand twist on my hair. If you have ever done 2-strand twists as a natural hairstyle on yourself, then it definitely will come easy to you. Honestly, I felt like the hardest part of this hairstyle was making sure that the twist stayed secure at the bottom, because you don't want to get a nice twist and then have it unravel at the end. As you guys can see, even though I'm twisting really tight, it still loosens up a little bit at the bottom, which is what I wanted. I didn't want my twists to be super tight. I wanted them to be a little bit loose, as you can see, and I definitely feel like it's turning out well. So here we are on the last one, and I'm just securing that braid once again. We're going to go in and add our curly piece. I wanted to have 2 curly pieces coming out at the very top of my head, just so that I can have 2 coming down on my face. I only added about 1 to 2 strands of curly hair per twist, but depending on how full you want your boho look, you can definitely add more. So yeah, y'all, we are finally in the home stretch. I am now going in and curling the ends of my twist. I just got these little white spiral rollers from the beauty supply store. They were about $2 for a pack of 12. I always use these to curl the ends of my braids. You only need about 6. Stay tuned for the finished product. Alright, y'all, so here we are. We're at the point where I put the curlers on the ends. Y'all, I'm already seeing like this just eats, but y'all know I gotta go on with my favorite part. Gotta shake it up real good. Okay, I'm really trying to get footage on my camera and on my phone. I'm sorry, y'all, but this is absolutely by far my favorite part of when I do my hair, is when I put the foaming mousse on. It just feels so good, and it just feels like all my work has finally come together. And lastly, I'm just gonna go in and do my edges, y'all. I use 2 products on my edges. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what they are, but one of them is the eBend 24-hour edge tamer, and the other one is Bask Lather, which is actually an edge control I found off TikTok. And sometimes they be trying to influence you, but this edge control literally stays even if I'm sweating at the gym, y'all. It is that good. But yeah, I'm feeling myself now because I am finally done, and the look just came together so nicely, y'all. I was so excited when I saw the finished look, y'all, because they really eat down. The color, the twist, just everything came together exactly how I wanted it, and it honestly turned out even better than I thought it would. Comment down below how you think I did. I think I did a pretty decent job for it to be my first time. Period. Y'all, I'm actually very impressed I tried doing island twists one time before, but I didn't really put a whole bunch of time into it. When I didn't get it like 1 or 2 times, I was like, okay, whatever. But this time I was committed to getting these island twists done for my vacation, y'all, and they literally turned out so cute. Like, I got little curly ends. They are just so adorable. I got these 2 little curls in the front that are gonna be my best friend. These just eat. But yeah, y'all, these just eat down. They eat down, and I'm so glad that I decided to do this hairstyle on myself, because really at this point there's no hairstyle that I can't do on myself. Like, let's get into it. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it motivates you guys to do your own hair at home, y'all. I was literally looking at the prices for this hairstyle, and it was running like anywhere between like 180 and 300, and I was like, that's just crazy. I might as well just try to do it myself at home. And y'all, just try it. Like, honestly, if you fail, just take that pack of hair to your hair appointment and just book the hair appointment. But like, I always encourage everyone when I do my hair videos to at least try to do your hair on your own, because y'all, I literally tried this a few years ago, and now look at me, I'm saving so much money, because y'all know booking that hair appointment is so expensive. Like, learn how to do it on your own. But I really like this hairstyle. It is so cute, and I'm gonna go show my mom. Like, she's gonna love it. I really think I ate down with this one, so thank you, pat on the back to me, because this really eats. It did take me forever. It's literally like, I'm not gonna lie, I really should have showed y'all the time I started, but it's 10:03 right now. I started parting my hair last night at around like 9, and this was after I already washed and conditioned my hair for like 2 hours, and then I started at maybe like 12 o'clock this afternoon. So it took me a good 9 hours, 8 or 9 give or take, but you know, it was worth it. It was worth saving that money. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I love the color and everything. It's like a light brown. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's not like a super dark color. My hair is pretty light brown, so yeah, but it just eats. I'm really master stylist Kyla at this point. But okay, you guys, enough chit chatting. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and comment down below if y'all want to see more hair videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next Kiss Gang video. Mwah. Love y'all. Like, really though? Really though? I ate these down. Ate these down. Ooh. Period. Good night.
I just finished